Hello, welcome to Academic AI. Do you also miss out or misplace placing commas, full stops, and so many other punctuations? Well, if yes, then this AI tool is perfect for you. In this video, we will introduce you to the Punctuation Corrector tool, an efficient tool that automatically identifies and fixes the punctuation mistakes, ensuring that your text is polished and error-free. Fantastic, isn't it? Well, to get started, you have to first look for the tool, which is Punctuation Corrector. Once you find it, you have to click on it, and the only thing you need to do is you have to paste the original text. So this was a text that I was about to share with my manager. Yes, and I'm doubtful that if I have used the correct punctuation or not, because I think I have missed out the full stops and the commas. But don't worry, I have this tool. So I've pasted it here, and I'm simply going to click on generate, and I'll wait for the magic to happen. Okay, so here we are, a perfectly punctuated text ready to be shared. I hope you can see how it has added the full stops where I must have missed. Yes? Fantastic, isn't it? Great. Now I can share this, text with my manager confidently, right? Great. Thanks for watching. Try the Punctuation Corrector tool today at Academiq AI and add the perfect finishing touch to your writing today. Happy writing and happy editing.